Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see short and long sounds of the vowel. So let's see how the same letter is sounding different as short and long sound. You know there are 26 letters from A to Z. But sometimes the same letter is sounding different, and that's why my little friend is confused that sometimes A is sounding A and A is sounding A, E is sounding A and E is sounding E. How is it possible? And that is a phonic fun. So let's see how is it possible. This is your friend Jolly. Jolly is laughing with his friends, but he is very serious when he is in the school with his teacher. He is very happy with his parents, but he is angry when he is with his naughty sister. And again he is smiling when he is with his granny. So he is behaving different at different place, different people. This is same reason why sometimes letters are sounding different. Letters can change their sounds depending on their position and spelling rules. Same English letter can make different sound depending on where and how they are used in the words and with which another letter they are accompanied. So we have short sound and long sound for our vowels. Short sound is sound of letter, but long sound is sounding like actual name of the letter. Short sounds are represented by curve on the head and long sounds are represented by small dash or a bar on the head of the letter. A is sounding A, but long sound is A. E is sounding A, but long sound is E. I has a short sound E, but long sound is I. O has a short sound A, but long sound is O. U has a short sound A, but long sound is U. So let's see some example for short and long sound for A. Short sound for A is A, ant, apple, apricot. So in small consonant vowel consonant word, the A is sounding short like p, a, pan, k, a, t, cat, b, a, t, bat, r, a, t, rat. Here are some example of the long sound. A, ape, acorn. When it is in combination with magical E, it is sounding long sound. Bake, cake, AI. With this digraph, it is sounding long sound. Rain, train, AY. Me, day, and IGH, eight, wait. So let's see some more example for long sound of A. Ape, acorn, apron, agent, alien, able, bake, cake, game, name. Rain, train, snail, paint. Me, day, play, tray. Eight, wait, sleigh, neighbor. Let's see E is sounding short and long. Short sound for E is A, egg, elephant. In CVC word, it is sounding A, P, A, pen, H, A, hen, Ch, A, ten, A, man. But in the long sound, it has a letter sound E, like eagle, email. Some short words, it is sounding long sound like he, she. Double E sounding E. B, tree. EA sounding E. T, beach. Y at the end, it's sounding like long E. Bay, B. Family. EY digraph, it's sounding E. Key. Monkey. IE, it's sounding E. Field. Thief. And alternate E in the spelling is also sounding E, like these. Here are some examples of long sound: E, eagle, email, even, equal, he, me, she, we, bee, tree, feet, tea, beach, leaf, Y at the end, family, baby, teddy, puppy, EY at the end, key, monkey, donkey, IE sounding long E, field, thief, peace, and alternate E in the spelling sounding long E. These complete theme. Let's see short and long sound for the I. Short sound for I is E. Igloo, iguana. In the CVC world, I is sounding E. P, pin. K, king. B, bin. Ch, tin. In. Let's see some long sound of the I that is sounding I. In combination with magical E, the I is sounding I. Bike. Slide. With digraph, IE sounding I. Tie. Pie. IGH is sounding I. Night. Light. Y at the end, sometimes sounding long I. Fly, sky. Let's see some example of long I. Magical E combination: ice, bike, kite, slide. IE digraph: pie, tie, die, lie. IGH: light, night, fight. Y at the end: cry, fly, dry, sky. Let's see short and long sound of the letter O. Short sound of the O is O. Dog, box. In CVC world, it is sounding O. T, O, G. B, ox, box. H, oct, hot, ox, fox. Let's see some example of long sound of O. O, open, go. In combination with magical E, it is row, slow. In digraph OE, toe, and OA, it is goat, road. And OW, it's sounding long O, throw, snow. Let's see some example of long O sound. Open, robot, hotel, go, no. With magical E, it is rope, rose, nose, hoe. With digraph OE, toe, hoe. With OA, it is boat, goat, road, coat. OW, it is snow, grow, throw, blow. Let's see the U sound, short and long. The short U sound is uncle, umbrella, sun. In CVC words, U is sounding short as a. K, b, cub. T, b, tub. B, g, bug. H, ch, hut. Now let's see some long sound of U. Unicorn, music. With magical E, it is tube, cube. With digraph EW, it is new, few. And EU, it is U, euro. With UE, it is sounding long U, blue, clue. Double O, it is sounding long U, foot, food. With OU, it is sounding U, zoo. And UI, also sounding long U, suit, fruit. Let's see some example of long U. use, unicorn, unit, music, uniform. With magical E combination, tube, cube, flute, tune. EW, new, few, chew, screw. EU, Europe, neuron, neutral. UE, glue, glue. O, food, foot, moon, noon. OU, you, soup. UI, suit, fruit. Practicing these sounds daily will definitely help you to remember short and long sound of each vowel. I'm sure you like my video. Like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to comment. Spread my channel. Keep watching YNOD Academy. Stay curious, keep learning. Thank you for watching.